Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best above-ground pools that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Bestway Steel Pro Rectangular Above-Ground Pool. This model stands out with its unique rectangular shape, measuring nearly 10 feet by 6.7 feet by 26 inches deep. Great for tight backyard spaces, or if you want a pool that can accommodate swimmers of all ages. It's equipped with a flow-clear 330 GPH filter pump that ensures clean and crystal-clear water throughout the summer. While the DuraPlus liner adds exceptional durability with its enhanced 3-ply construction. The steel frame, held together by Bestway's seal and lock system, offers remarkable stability. Its design ensures the pool holds up against wear, weather, and movement, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Assembly is simple and tool-free, which means you'll be swimming in no time. However, its 827-gallon capacity might feel a bit small for larger households. And the lack of included accessories like a ground cloth or ladder may require additional purchases. This pool is ideal for families looking for a compact and durable option that doesn't compromise on performance. While it's not the most spacious on this list, its rectangular design and ease of setup make it a versatile pick. Pros include its sturdy frame and simple assembly, while cons include its lower capacity and fewer included accessories. Next up at number 4 is the Intex 28120 Easy Set Inflatable Pool. If ease of setup is your priority, this pool has you covered. It's ready for water in just 10 minutes. Simply lay it out, inflate the top ring, and fill it with water, making it one of the quickest options to install. With a 10-foot diameter and a water depth of 23 inches, this pool is perfect for young families or anyone looking for a fuss-free way to cool off during summer. Made from puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, this pool is built to handle wear and tear, and it even comes with a patch kit for quick repairs. The 1,018-gallon capacity strikes a balance between compactness and usability, though it may not be sufficient for larger groups. While its lightweight design makes it portable, the lack of a filtration system means you'll need to manually clean and maintain water hygiene. This pool is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize simplicity and portability. Pros include its fast setup and durable material, while cons are the absence of a filter pump and limited water depth. It's ideal for smaller families or anyone looking for an easy-to-use inflatable option. Coming in at number 3 is the Bestway Steel Pro Max Round Swimming Pool Set. This budget-friendly option packs a lot of value at just $159.99. With a 12-foot diameter and 30-inch depth, it's spacious enough for families to enjoy, yet small enough to fit most backyard spaces. Its tri-tech construction features triple-layer puncture-resistant and UV-resistant sidewalls, ensuring long-term durability even under heavy usage. The corrosion-resistant steel frame provides a solid foundation, while the frame link system allows for a hassle-free assembly process without the need for tools. The included 330-gallon filter pump ensures clean and clear water with minimal maintenance, making it a step up from pools that require manual cleaning. However, its tropical design may not appeal to everyone, and its 52.9-pound weight could make it a bit challenging to move around. If you're looking for an affordable pool that doesn't compromise on quality, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for families wanting a durable, easy-to-assemble option without breaking the bank. Pros include its robust build quality and included filter pump, while cons are its lightweight frame and limited aesthetic appeal. At number 2, we have the Intex 28121 metal frame above-ground swimming pool set. This pool combines durability with enhanced water hygiene, thanks to its dual suction outlet fittings and hydro-aeration technology, integrated into the 530 GPH cartridge filter pump. With a 12-foot diameter, 30-inch depth, and a 1,718-gallon capacity. It's large enough for families, while still being compact enough for smaller yards. The innovative composite T-joint design makes assembly a breeze, requiring no tools to set up the metal frame. The puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material ensures that the pool withstands wear and tear, and the included repair patch provides peace of mind for any accidental damage. While it weighs 55.7 pounds, making it less portable than some options, its sturdy construction more than compensates. This pool is perfect for families looking for a balance of durability, performance, and user-friendly design. Pros include its advanced filtration system and robust frame, while cons are its heavier weight and slightly longer setup time compared to inflatable models. It's a solid mid-tier option for those seeking reliability and great water quality. Taking the top spot is the Bestway Steel Pro Max 14 feet by 33 inches round above ground pool set. At $390, this premium option offers exceptional quality and features that justify its price. With a 14-foot diameter and 33-inch depth, it provides plenty of space for families and friends to swim and relax. The rust-resistant steel frame and 3-ply PVC support band ensure durability, while the UV-resistant coating protects the pool from sun damage. One standout feature is the ChemConnect chemical dispenser, which eliminates the need for traditional floating cleaners. This innovation makes water maintenance effortless, keeping it clean and balanced throughout the season. The included 530-gallon filter pump further enhances water clarity and hygiene. Assembly is tool-free, and the flow-controlled drain valve simplifies emptying the pool when needed. However, its 44.9-pound weight might require assistance during setup. This pool is ideal for those who want a spacious, durable, and easy-to-maintain option for summer fun. Pros include its robust construction, advanced chemical dispenser, and large capacity, while cons are its higher price and heavier weight. If you're looking for a premium above-ground pool, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect above-ground pool for your summer needs. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.